Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup and grow a garden-easy method. Begin by harvesting fresh vegetables and herbs from your garden, washing them, and prepping a clean workspace. Chop ingredients into even pieces to ensure uniform cooking. Use a large pot, layer flavors with aromatics, and add stock gradually while simmering. Taste and adjust seasoning toward the end for a balanced, garden-fresh soup. Harvesting at the right time makes a huge difference in flavor and texture for your soup, so pick ripe produce and fragrant herbs. Rinse everything gently to remove dirt and soil, then pat dry before chopping. Separate herbs from hardy vegetables to add at different times during cooking. Keep delicate leaves for finishing, and store extras in the fridge to use within a few days for peak taste. Use a simple, gentle cooking method to let garden flavors shine through by starting with a light sauté of aromatics in olive oil. Add root vegetables and stock, bring to a simmer, then reduce heat to cook slowly until tender. Stir in delicate greens and herbs near the end to keep them vibrant. Finish with a splash of acid like lemon or vinegar and a final seasoning check before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.